Plugable may not be as familiar of a keyboard brand as some other companies, but with their price point and feature set, they're hard to ignore. Their older mechanical keyboard features blue, clicky switches from OUTEMO and has a 4.5-star rating on Amazon, but this new line uses linear red switches instead, much like a Cherry MX red switch. Let's take a closer look and see how it performs. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys. Priced at $59.95, the pluggable keyboard has some nice features to appeal to gamers and typers, but also offers a simple design. Packaging is simple, and there isn't much included in the box. There is a key puller to make changing keycaps easier, and the keyboard itself. Staying away from RGB and media keys helps the pluggable keyboard keep a minimalist design. Plugable also offers a TKL or 10 keyless version of the keyboard for $54.95 if you prefer an even smaller footprint. For first impressions, I hadn't used a pluggable keyboard before, so I wasn't sure what to expect when trying this new one. I was pleasantly surprised by how solid it felt. Construction features an all-metal top and it has a compact design, making it fit well on most desks. On the back, we have rubber pads at the corners and the folding stands to prop the keyboard up. Some of the main features from the pluggable mechanical keyboard are double-shot keycaps that make a keyboard more durable by using 2 separate molded parts for the keys. The pluggable keyboard also has full N-key rollover and anti-ghosting to allow multiple keystrokes to register at once. Plugable has also included some nice features directly into the keyboard without needing an external application to adjust them. With the key command, the arrow keys can be swapped for WASD, which can be good for retro games and for left-handed gamers. They've also combined the function key with the F keys to allow media control from the keyboard. The keyboard also works on OS X, though some of the functionality doesn't cross over. For instance, hitting function F12 doesn't pull up the calculator like it does on Windows. So how do the keys actually feel? Surprisingly good. They are smooth and easy to depress with a soft, muted tone. Compared to the Logitech G610, which features Cherry MX red switches, I'd say they have a similar feel with a bit more resistance. They do seem quieter though. The sound emitted when depressed is a bit lower in pitch and more muted. Actuation is smooth, and there's no tactile bump like what you would find on other mechanical keyboards with clicky switches. I do find it easier to type on the $120 G610 from Logitech, but the $60 pluggable keyboard is half the price and performs very well too. Personally, for gaming I prefer a clicky switch like those found on the Razer Huntsman. Overall, the pluggable mechanical keyboard offers a solid feeling and performing keyboard at a great price. It lacks some of the dedicated media keys and intense RGB like other keyboards have, but because of that, it has a smaller footprint and doesn't require any applications to get up and running. What do you think of the pluggable mechanical keyboards? Would you pick red switches or blue switches? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.